Welcome everybody. In second video, we learn about effect of atmospheric condition on refraction of light. Those are mirrors, twinkling of star, early sunrise and delayed sunset. In this third video, we learn about dispersion of light, partial and total internal reflection and rainbow. We first learn about refraction, dispersion of light. The definition of dispersion of light is the process of separation of light into its component color while passing through optical medium is called as a dispersion of light. We know that sunlight consists of 7 colors. If we fall white light on one edge of glass prism, light splits into its 7 color and spectrum is emerged out of second edge of prism. The interesting property of light is known as once again dispersion of light. As we observe the spectrum of a glass prism, it is clear that red light bends least while violet light bends most and other color bends in between them. Here it is also clear that bending of color depends upon wavelength of color. Among 7 color, red color has maximum wavelength near to 700 nanometer and violet color has minimum wavelength closer to 400 nanometer. It is also clear that red color light shows least deviation and violet color shows most deviation. That is, angle of deviation of red color is least and angle of deviation of violet color is most. Then we consider a question, that is why red color is used for danger signal. Red color scatter less than other color. Red color has the greatest wavelength, so red color light is able to travel longest distance through the fog, air particles, rain, etc. Therefore, red color is used for danger signal. Then another question is that why sky appears blue in color? Answer is that when white light formed from sun enters the earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered away due to atmospheric particles. Since blue color has minimum wavelength, so blue color scatter most. Therefore, sky appears blue. Another concept is that partial reflection and total internal reflection. In the figure below, the partial and total reflection is seen. Partial and total reflection is also clear that when light enters rare medium from denser medium, it gets partially reflected and come back into denser medium as per law of reflection, and this is called as a partial reflection. As light is going from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from normal. In this condition, we know that angle I is less than angle R. Now, if we increase value of I, value of R increases according to Snell's law. That is, the refractive index is remain constant. For a particular value of I, the value of R becomes 90 degree. Then here value of I is called as a critical angle. For angle of incidence larger than critical value, the angle of refraction is larger than 90 degree. At that condition, rays returns to denser medium as shown in the right side of the figure above. Thus, all light get refracted back into the denser medium, and this is called as a total internal reflection. Then we study about most beautiful phenomenon called as a rainbow. Rainbow is a beautiful natural phenomenon. The ray diagram of rainbow is as shown in figure. In this figure, ray OA is a incident ray, ray AC is a refracted ray, and point B shows here dispersion. Then ray CD is a refracted ray. Now, how rainbow is formed, you have to study it. This figure shows that when white light is incident on water droplets, it refracted as well as dispersed, then light is totally internal reflected and once again emerged out of water droplets. Therefore, here rainbow is formed. Then answer of formation of rainbow is given here that rainbow is a natural phenomenon. It is combined effect of refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection of light. It can be seen mainly after rainfall. Small water droplets acts as a prism in this phenomenon. When a ray of sunlight enters these water droplets, it gets refracted and dispersed. Then there is an internal reflection of light, and after that once again the light gets refracted while coming out of the droplets. All these three processes together produce a rainbow. Therefore, a beautiful rainbow is formed.